This is just taking a lot of my energy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a twist out video. So I'm going to show you guys how to twist out your hair. My hair is already washed and I deep conditioned it and I just let it air dry overnight. But I'm going to show you the products that I'm going to be using and what techniques I use to twist out my hair, because it does take a while to twist out my hair. So the first item that I'm going to be using is I have this pomade thing that I have, and I usually use this for like just slicking down each twist. I'll show you how I use that. You just want to have some type of leave-in moisturizing cream for your hair, so I'm using this. You could use any moisturizing cream you want to use, and then I just have some oil, and this is just a mixture of oils. And then also just keeping yourself a spray bottle, because you want to make sure your hair has moisture when you're going to each twist, and making sure that each part is fully moisturized, because you want it to lock in the moisture. And then also just having combs. I'm going to be using this one, and I'm also using this rat tail comb. And I also have my tangle teaser detangling brush. But yeah, that's all I'm going to be using. So let's get into this video. So as you can see, my hair is growing, but I really want it to be in protective hairstyles. So what we're gonna do is first section off the hair in 4 and just So for my 2-strand twist, I'm making sure that I get a good amount of oil, and in my oil mixture I just mix like olive oil, grapeseed oil, and you could also use like Jamaican black castor oil, but that's mainly what's inside of my oil mixture. And then just continuing down the section with the 2-strand twist method, and just completing that all the way through. So for each section, I'm making sure that I use my spray bottle, and make sure that you use water before applying any type of leave-in conditioner or any type of oil, because you want to make sure that your follicle is open and it's retaining that moisture. So I'm doing that throughout my whole entire head. So these were the final results. This is a great protective hairstyle if you guys are transitioning to your natural hair journey. But if you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you. Bye.